Annyeonghaseyo, Chaden D Shandepti. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today, I am unboxing my So Susan or Color Curate box for June 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below about Color Curate. Let's go ahead and get started. By the way, I still say So Susan. They changed the name to Color Curate. So if I say So Susan, just know I'm talking about the same thing. All right, so this is what the bag looks like this month, and I love it. Look at it. Look at it. If you know me, then you know why I'm in love with this bag. It screams K-drama paradise. Do you see that? With the parrot and the palm trees and the colors and these flowers. This is gorgeous. This is what the other side looks like. And the quote says, "Live truly, freely, and purposefully." Every bag has a quote on it, and this is just amazing. This bag is so me. I love all things beachy, beach theme, paradise, you know, flip-flops, sand, water, the ocean, palm trees, sunshine, sunsets, little drinks with umbrellas in them. That's me all day. Oh, I love this. All right, so there's a card in here, and the card usually matches the bag. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, man. This is everything that we got in the bag for this month. The total worth of everything in this bag is $106. Now, with So Susan, their bags, I believe, are $21 a month. You get all full-size products. You will get no samples, and you can subscribe every month, every 3 months, or every 6 months. I just do the 6 month and get it over with because I've been getting this bag for over a year and I love it. All right, so let's get started. They do have prices on here, so I may refer back to this card every now and again. So, by the way, the price, the $106 price of the bag does include the bag because the bag itself is $12. So I want to let you know that you always get a bag that's included. So the bag is $12. Let's continue. So we have, first of all, I have this Lip Dew in Cherry Gleam from So Susan. So this is the So Susan Lip Dew. By the way, all of the products you get in the So Susan or the Color Curate bag are cruelty-free, not tested on animals, paraben-free, all natural, and very, very good. Very nice quality. I always get like very good highlighters. I'm going to tell you right now, like out of all the highlighters that I have that I use on my face, the majority of them come from my So Susan bag. And you will get products from either 3 companies, either So Susan, like this lip dew right here, Jelly Pong Pong, or what's the other company? Jelly Pong Pong or Truffle Cosmetics. All right, so let's go ahead with this Cherry Gleam Lip Dew. I've had one of these before, and it's a very moisturizing lip balm. This is what the bullet looks like, and ooh, that smells like cherries, y'all. Oh my gosh. It's sheer, so I do like it. It gives that hint of color. That's what the balm looks like right there. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, that cherry smell is just wafting. It's strong. If you're sensitive, by the way, if you're sensitive to smells, this beauty subscription is not going to be for you because all of their products smell like either fruit or cakes or cupcakes, things like that. So just be mindful of that. And by the way, this is worth, the lip dew that I just showed you, this right here, is worth $19. Next up, I have, from So Susan, I have the Glow Dip Pro. This is the Professional Color Correcting Bronzing Palette. And that's what that looks like. I like the packaging on this. This is worth $39, and this is a full size of this, okay? Again, I told you that this is cruelty-free, not tested on animals. This is what the package looks like. It's black. It says So Susan Cosmetics on it. And on the back, it tells you the 3 colors that are in this palette. It looks like there is copper, which is a deep bronze with metal finish. gemstone, which is a warm amber with a rose gold finish, and gold, which is a radiant clean gold finish. Let's see what she looks like. All right, so there's a big old mirror in here. I'm going to cover it. Those are the colors right there. All right, so this color is gold. This is gemstone. This is copper. Very pretty. I could use this. It says bronzing, but I could use this as a highlighter or use this like collarbone right here. Very nice. This is going to be of some good use this summer. Happy to get this. All right, next thing, we got a couple more things in here. This is from Truffle Cosmetics, and this is the Eye Candy Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Duo. That's what the packaging looks like. The Eye Candy, the color I have is Galette, and this is worth $14. This is the other side of the packaging there. Again, this is vegan, no parabens, no gluten. It is hyperallergenic and it's not tested on animals. Ooh, that's pretty. This is what the colors look like in the packaging. And this is what the other side of the packaging looks like there. And let's open her up. Doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, doesn't smell like anything. But I have like a silver color and like a gold color. So that's nice. Like this. All right, and then there's one more thing in here, and this is the Super Matte by Jelly Pong Pong in the color Power Trip. This is $22. This is what it looks like, the Jelly Pong Pong packaging. Here's like the other side of that packaging, which looks like that backwards. Looks like that there. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. These always come in bright, fun colors, you know, for the summer. And whoopsie, let's see, kind of came out there a little bit. All right, this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is like a coral or an orangey color, like coral. I probably could have worn this with what my makeup is right now. It would have been very bright, but it smells like, wait. It kind of smells like sherbet or something. It does have a scent to it. It's fruity. It's fruity. But yeah, this is nice. All right, so, and this is a matte lip crayon right here. That's what it looks like. All right, so that's everything, you guys, in my So Susan bag for this month of June. Let's go ahead and recap, shall we? First things first, from Jelly Pong Pong, I got this super matte crayon right here in Galette. I think it's Galette. According to the card, it says Galette. But on the bottom here, it says Power Trip. So I don't know. I'm going to call this one Power Trip, I think. Does it say on here? Does it say? It doesn't say, but I'm going to call it Power Trip. I'll have to look that up. No, this is Power Trip. My bad. The color is Power Trip. I'm confusing myself. Sorry about that, y'all. Jelly Pong Pong Power Trip. All right, got it. Galette is this right here from Truffle Cosmetics. That is Galette right here. So I got this eyeshadow duo. And then from So Susan, I got the Lip Dew in Cherry Gleam. This smells so good. I love this. And then last but not least, I have the what is this called? This is the Glow Dip right here, which is the Bronzer Pro palette right here. All right, guys, that is everything in this month's bag. I really love my So Susan bags. They're amazing. Like I said, I'm in love with this bag so much. I think I'm going to start carrying this like immediately, even though it doesn't go with my purse. But anyway, I digress. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you may want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. And what that means is when I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. And I will let you know what that giveaway will be when I reach that threshold. All right, guys. Thank you so much to my new and my old subscribers. You guys are amazingly awesome. Thanks for watching this video. I will talk to you guys next time. You have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나야 난 너고 넌 나